This is the Vivo V70 Pro, a smartphone designed to break every limit.
A premium titanium frame crafted for power and elegance. A stunning curved AMOLED display, smoother than ever. Powered by a massive 10,000 mAh battery for unbelievable endurance.
Charging so fast, it feels futuristic. 24 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking without limits. Store everything with a massive 2 terabytes of storage. The heart of this phone, its 300 megapixel DSLR class camera. Built with precision engineered optics. Crystal clear daylight photography.
Night mode that turns darkness into detail.
A DSLR level portrait experience.
Shoot breathtaking 8K footage right from your pocket.
Advanced stabilization keeps your shot steady. All powered by a next-gen flagship processor. A gaming powerhouse in every way. Smart cooling ensures peak performance. Future-ready 5G speeds. Immersive stereo audio. Fast and secure in-display unlocking. A design built to impress. A choice of stunning premium colors. Sharp selfies with a 32 megapixel front camera. Created for content creators. Multitask like a pro. Your privacy, your control. A clean and smooth software experience. Every detail engineered perfectly. A masterpiece of modern smartphone design. This is the Vivo V70 Pro, reimagined.